This is the gear slide. So the gear slide is used for a ton of different things. Really what it is a garage. It's a way to access your gear, your bikes, your cooler, your luggage, your paddleboard, pretty much whatever you want to throw in your van. This is a really great place to put it. I'm just going to show you how the gear slide works. So here it is, the gear slide. So as you can see, the gear slide is also lined with all of this T-track. That's what this mount is mounted on. I can put bikes on here. I can latch down a toilet. The use for this is in the title. It's a gear slide. It's made for whatever you want to put on here. This holds up to 800 pounds and it slides it effectively. I wouldn't recommend that you put 800 pounds right here on the edge of it, but it does hold up to 800 pounds and I can get up on here and move around and jump around. It works really great if you want to reach stuff up on top. We also have a telescopic ladder for that. This has a ton of different uses. You can use it as a table, you can use it as a workbench. A really great aspect of this is whenever you're storing really heavy stuff in the back and you don't want to reach in and grab for it, you slide the gear slide out and it pulls everything up closer to you to where just simply standing on the outside of the van, I can reach heavier things that I wouldn't be able to reach as easily. A safety feature that we've implemented into the gear slide are safety latches. So as I'm pulling it out, if this were to have a lot of weight on it, it would really take off. But there are safety latches right there, it locks, and it allows you to lock it in different positions. If you just need it as a small bench, then you don't have to pull it out all the way and it's not gonna move on you. A huge additional feature to the gear slide is the fact that you can actually take off all the gear and then you can simply slide in either a twin or a full-size bed to allow for almost a bunk bed situation here. You've got yourself a bed. And with a twin mattress, you can still have a bike or other gear mounted to the T-track or on the side while utilizing the twin mattress.